This was an alien creature that had just landed on Earth. The human leader immediately mobilized the military. They transported 3 specially made steel plates, each 100 meters tall, from afar. They sealed the alien creature inside a narrow metal container. After cutting off all external signals, the humans sent it to an underground research facility hundreds of meters deep. To obtain the alien technology from its body, scientists began dissecting the giant's flesh. But during the process, no one noticed that on the drill bit the soldier had just replaced, a tiny nanobot was gnawing at the metal, and their reproduction rate was terrifyingly fast. With enough resources, these nanobots split from one into countless others, multiplying exponentially without stopping. By the time the soldier realized, most of the drill bit had already been consumed. Terrified, the soldier fled the experiment chamber. The general outside also sensed something was wrong. Within moments, the soldier's protective suit had already begun corroding. Those outside watched helplessly as the soldier collapsed. There was nothing they could do. Then, the supposedly unbreakable bulletproof glass started cracking with countless fissures. Seeing the experiment spiraling out of control, the panicked scientists immediately activated the destruction protocol. In an instant, the giant was engulfed in flames weighing tens of thousands of tons. Yet when the scorching heat faded, the imprisoned alien giant remained completely unharmed. Before anyone could recover from their shock, the giant began disintegrating into countless nanobots. Then, as a swarm, they breached the containment chamber. Chaos instantly erupted. Everyone inside the facility lost contact with the outside world. Before long, the research facility's doors were blown off by a shockwave, then slammed heavily onto the ground. The colonel outside immediately issued the destruction order. In an instant, tanks, jets, and artillery on the human side all fired at the nanobot swarm. But as each shell struck the cloud, instead of destroying the bots, the originally small swarm expanded dozens of times in an instant. Only then did humanity realize just how terrifying the entity they were facing truly was. But now, regret was far too late. Wherever the swarm passed, everything was reduced to ashes.